Hey guys, Joe up here, and welcome to our Let's Learn Java series. This is episode 1.5, and in this series I'm going to cover something that I didn't cover in the first video. And that is when we have our system.out.println, right, when we say game over, you'll notice something very important here, and that is this semicolon. Now, a semicolon is very important. It means it's the end of a command, right? So you have to have a semicolon at the end of all of your command statements. So this is a command saying that we want to print out. We're declaring a method, our main. We don't have a semicolon at the end here. If we had a semicolon right here, it would not compile, because this is not a command. If I compile this, just to see what'll happen, let's compile it. Up error, see missing method body, or declaring abstract. You can't put the semicolon here, because we're not declaring anything. We're making a method that has a body, where there are methods that you can have a semicolon at the end of it, but not this type of method. Because the other methods don't actually have a body, they're declaring a method. But here, a semicolon goes at the end of all of our statements, and it comes at the end here. So we can say system.out.println, hey, right? We still have our semicolon at the end. That is very important. You can have multiple semicolons after each other. It'll still compile, but each of these are like seen as commands, but that just don't have anything in the command. So if I save this, compiles fine, and it runs fine, says game over and hey. But yeah, so semicolons are important, and you'll see as we go through the tutorial series where semicolons go and where they don't go. But if you have a problem and you don't put a semicolon, just like that, and I hit save, I'm going to compile it, you'll get the error saying error expected semicolon, right? It was expecting a semicolon on line 5, and it'll even show a little arrow like there should have been a semicolon here at the end. So if you forget your semicolon, you'll see this error quite a bit, but yeah, so that's just a small thing that I forgot to mention in the first video that is very important and essential to simple programs and all programs in Java. So guys, comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks for watching.